Do you want to learn Azure and cloud computing? Yes, you do. That's why you're here watching this video. Now here's your chance, a great deal. I'm going to give you a link to my Udemy course, which is 2 hours of video. If you go through the video, you'd be able to certainly pass and also learn about Azure. Not just that, you'll also get a certification and pass a certification called AZ-900 from Microsoft. Yes, that is correct. And to sweeten the deal today, I'm going to give you an 80% off coupon. Yes, you heard it right, 80% off coupon to go through my course, and it's risk free. If you don't like the course, if you're not able to pass the examination, you can get your money back, full money back within 30 days. I'll give you some glimpse of what's there in the course. If you like it, click on the link below and then it will take you straight to my course and you can start learning it Azure today. And so there's a lot of upcoming opportunities, because a lot of legacy companies, a lot of big companies, Fortune 500 companies which have been there around, they already have Microsoft certain licenses, and they cannot just move to any other cloud. So Azure is definitely the best option and the well chosen one for them. AZ having this certification will help them know about the buzzwords, and they will be able to use this in their day-to-day life. Containers. So remember the word Docker, because that there could be a question in the examination regarding what kind of container does Azure supports, and there are several ways to manage the containers in Azure, and the two major ways are Azure Container Instance and Azure Kubernetes Services. And Azure Kubernetes Services is actually complete orchestration service for the container, so it can manage multiple containers, thousands of containers at the same time, and that's called Azure. So we talked about the four classification of compute. So they were like virtual machines, and then we talked about the containers, the app services, and the serverless computing. So let's browse through some of the, how I'm in a practical session on how these things are done. So if you look at the virtual machines, add, and earlier we talked about the availability options, and then you can see that there's an option for availability set, and then you can I've not set up anything, but then that is how you select the availability set. Yeah, and we talked about the Azure batch. So this is how the Azure batch is created. When you take the option, it'll give you, it'll ask you for further details about the disk options, what kind of disk you'd want to use, the networking, management, guest configuration, and this is how it actually looks like. So we went through the availability set, the VMs, and